Thank you for coming to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please leave your thumbs up, leave your comments and your questions. And I want to thank you all for being here and for all your support with this channel. I know without you I would not have a channel, and I really do appreciate you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, on the stimulus package, the group of bipartisan Democrats and Republican senators released their stimulus package proposal, and it's only $9.8 billion. It's not enough to do anything. Mitch McConnell is pointing his crooked little finger at Nancy Pelosi, saying it's all her fault for the delay in the stimulus package. And I think we all can agree that the blame lays at both of their feet. They're both equally to blame for this. One is no better than the other. Mitch McConnell got his skinny bill made. He got the proposal from Nancy Pelosi when it was a lot smaller than it is now. And he said on them, he said Nancy Pelosi's was dead in the water. He didn't even look at it. And his bill was dead in the water because it was too small. So Mitch McConnell has got a lot of nerve pointing his finger at anyone. Senator Kennedy said that Nancy Pelosi's package is loaded with things not related to COVID, and he's exactly right. It is. But what Senator Kennedy is saying is nothing that we didn't already know. Sometimes I think all these senators and congressmen and all of them, they just talk to hear themselves talk because they love the sound of their own voice. I mean, think about it. All the talk that we've heard, what has happened? Absolutely nothing. So therefore, it's just talk. Okay, now the Democrats are firing back at what Senator Kennedy said by saying Mitch McConnell's stimulus package protects big corporation, big business, and it does. He's got legal protection in there that's going to help people avoid lawsuits for negligence up to 5 years after the pandemic is over. That just don't make any sense. Protect them for stuff that is dealing with the pandemic if they follow the rules. Don't just give them a broad blanket and say you're protected and up to 5 years. Come on now. Leaders on both sides are fighting like babies. And the lower senators on both sides are working together, trying to get something to happen. It seems like when the parents are fighting and the kids are trying to make them stop, that's what it seems like. The parents are fighting and the kids are hollering, please daddy, please mama, stop. Arizona has now certified Joe Biden as the winner in Arizona. Pfizer has said that the COVID vaccine will be shipped out within 24 hours after it is approved by the FDA. Wisconsin has also certified Joe Biden as the winner. Y'all tell me in the comments below, what do you think about all of this finger pointing? I am so sick of it, and like I said, it seems like they're just talking to hear themselves talk now. There's no rhyme or reason with what they're saying. I mean, it's just a waste of time. It's a lot of hot air coming out of Washington. It's been hot air coming out of Washington ever since this whole mess started. Y'all please subscribe to this channel, watch the video that's about to pop up. And again, I want to thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate you being here. I know sometimes I don't say what you want to hear, but I do tell the truth the way I know it. And can I please everybody all the time? No. But if you hang around long enough, you will see that I'm straight down the middle. I give both sides hell all the time. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please tell me what you think about this whole mess. And do you think we're going to get a stimulus check? Do you think we're going to get a decent stimulus bill? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Just know I love you all. Keep your faith in Jesus. Say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders and all the people touched by COVID and by our government. I love you all. Ciao.